Two-time best of the best champ. Log on to go to ESPN.com.
And 9 for 9 continues Tuesday night. Story of world-class ice skater Katarina Witt and how she persevered through the changes in her life following the fall of the Berlin Wall. Tuesday, 8 Eastern on ESPN.
We've been following the story all morning long. Much more from TJ Quinn and Jason Stark ahead as Robert Flores and Jay Crawford join us. For Jay McCarthy, I'm Kevin Agani. Enjoy your afternoon. Much more of this Genesis scandal.
That's right, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Good Monday morning. Welcome to another live edition of SportsCenter. Jay Crawford, I'm Robert Flores. As if Twitter and frat parties didn't result in enough eyes on Johnny Manziel, the NCAA now taking a good look. The reigning Heisman Trophy winner.
Hang on, I'm recording this.
Scandal that could threaten his eligibility. We are live at Texas A&M.
There go the tornado sirens.
A suspension that could sideline until 2015, but an appeal could put him on the field tonight. A decision is imminent.
You think she loves that?
Here on SportsCenter. But first, a look back at A-Rod facing the media over the weekend.
This is Plaquemine, Louisiana. WHELEN 2809 sirens going off.